They said they have weed parties sometimes. So. Yeah. All right. All right, here we go. One click on the flap. Try to do a long one. Long roll. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, you can you can pause it. You can pause it and then go back when you see it again. Yeah, I do that. Not so much. Through the hedge. I don't know if I would want to do that. I could, but I don't know if I'd want to. If I'm sitting down, I'd be alright, but I don't want to do it standing up. Not standing up. Not standing up. Well, I'm the one that knows. I wouldn't want to do that. Okay. Yeah, it was. If I get anything, I'm happy. I don't have to get 100 videos. As long as I get something. No. Did you remember that 750 millimeter Mustang I used to have? One time I had a video of it. It went out on the 58 and hit the 58 on the street right next to a car going by. I'm like, oh my God. Yeah, that was not good. All right, I'm going to take off from this side, going this way. Need to oil them wheels again. Oh, I've never gone out of range. I've gone pretty far. You know, if you fly with FPV, you can fly like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, or what, half mile. So cool. Two clicks, coming around, full rudder turn, kill the power, coming down, little elevator. Ha ha! That is so cool. So cool. Let's try that high rates. I don't think I did, unless, crap, did I have flaps in? Got a raven chasing me here. Go back to low rates. I didn't like the way that was looking. No. Let's go around again. Yeah, I need to check that prop. I don't know. Nice. Yeah, but try to keep on the plane, not the dog, right? Come on, buddy.